This blog supports this year's Intertwined theme, which explores the connections in the natural world and the bond between people and plants. Littoral zones act much like a coffee filter by using a diversity of plants to prevent pollutants from entering the water. This helps maintain a clean and healthy ecosystem. Here is an example of how it works. Each jar here represents a body of water, like a lake or pond. This coffee filter represents a littoral zone. These three items represent different forms of common pollutants. The sprinkles represent trash. The thyme represents grass clippings, and the chili powder represents fertilizer. Let's set the scene. It's summertime, and you and your neighbor both have a small pond next to your home. Your pond has a littoral zone, whereas your neighbor's does not. Both you and your neighbor are in competition with each other to see who has the most beautiful lawn. You both wake up early to mow. You mow right up to the edge of the water, leaving grass clippings all throughout the yard. A heavy storm comes that afternoon, washing the grass clippings into your pond. The following day, you both use fertilizer on your grass to keep it looking healthy and beautiful. The third day is trash day, so you both put your trash cans out. A strong storm comes again, and the wind knocks over the trash cans. Trash blows into your ponds. As you can see, the littoral zone helps keep out most pollutants, whereas this pond is messy and gross. Littoral zones can help keep the water clean and safe for fish, birds, turtles, and other wildlife to live in. The plants in the littoral zone pull nutrients out of runoff and maintain water quality. This is vital for the health of the ecosystem.